YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another ICAD index card today, and we're doing a 30-day challenge at 7x7 Crew. We're doing a 30-day challenge, and we have prompts that we're pulling out, and today's prompt is cartoon. So feel free to play along with us. And so you just have to do an index card 3x5 or 4x6. I use 110 pound to cut mine out, or you can glue several of them together, or you can just keep it the way it is out of regular standard index card and decorate it however you want. No style required. For my character, I use this La La Land. I just showed this recently in the haul, and I chose him, the tiger. I thought he was cute, and that's my cartoon character that I chose. And then I used this stamp from this Recollections or Craft Smart, excuse me. And for whatever reason, they gave me two of this last stamp in here. I don't know why they did, but okay. So I stamped it out, and I forgot to start recording. So I already have that stamped on my card, and I already have him stamped out in color with my Spectrum Noir. And so I'm just going to use a couple of gelatos just to add a little bit color to this in the background, and then I am going to adhere him, and then add a sentiment, and that'll be it. So I hope you guys are doing well. Oops. And I'm just going to smear it. I can smear it with my finger, but I'm going to smear it with a baby color. Oh, well, I should have used a gesso paper, which I didn't gesso this. And I could have stamped out my map. I wasn't even thinking, I was talking. And I should have stamped this out in color, but I don't feel like doing it over. Because again, this is just for me, just to play along with the challenge. I'm going to use a dry paper napkin first, but you can see it doesn't smear as much. And I think I'm going to do something different on that thing right here. You know what I'm talking about. So I just want to get a little color here for the ocean. And that blends it out really nicely. I'm going to see if I can get up in here without making too much of a mess. Alright, I think I'm going to add just a little color to that. And so hopefully some of you guys are playing along or being inspired just to try something different. You know, the prompts is something different than, you know, you just doing what you want to do. But you can do that too as well. Just do 30 days of it. It's just a way to keep you crafty and to keep you, sometimes, you know, your mojo goes, you just don't know what to craft or whatever. Well, having a prompt kind of helps with that. It kind of gets you out of your rut, and it's also a challenge. Because it's always something you may or may not like, or you may or may not have stuff all on hand. So that's one of the things about prompt. What may challenge you to do a technique that you haven't done in a long time. So that's basically it. So that's it in a nutshell. I'm not going to smooth this out too much because it will blur into my blue. But I just want to get a little bit in there to blend it. I may have to go back over it a little bit. Just a little pop of color. Alright, now where did he go? So I'm just going to add him there. And then I'm going to add my sentiment. And I know you know this song. You ever went to camp? I always sing this to my grandson. So I want him to know he got you in his hands, bruh. so I'm going to glue that down, I think, and then I think that might be it. I don't think of anything else at this moment that I want to add. It's still a little warped, it's still a little wet as it dries. I don't want to add anything gold around. I think I might want to add a little bit of gold to the sides of it. Again, it's a little bit more color because it's kind of flat. This is a strong smell. So I have been enjoying doing these, and this has just been something to keep us motivated, to get us going, and staying in your craft room because you're doing a 30-day challenge. Yeah, you're being in your craft room for 30 days. Great way to use up your scraps. And they can be as simple or as complex as you want. That's the beauty of it. We didn't put it but one prompt, so we're not making anybody do like 15 different things. So that's the beauty in that. I post these on my Instagram as well. I would sing the song for you, but you know, yeah, your ears might hurt. So I won't do that for you. And then all I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go around the edge with the gold. Hurry off page. And glue him down. And we should be good to go. Very simple ICAD. Doesn't have to be complicated. Just using what I had on hand. So it's been a fun challenge. Doing something every day. Trying to think outside the box. And not being overcomplicated because I don't always have the time. Do something too complicated with work. So I can do what I can do. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. But I'm still trying to get some, you know, cute little items. I've been using some new stamps. So that has been fun. So that is my finished project. And I will post a picture on my Instagram account. I'm just tracing around here. Real quick, I should do it slower, but on this little waxy feel. But yeah, that is basically it. It's got the whole world in his hands. So that is my cartoon that I use for my La La Land stamp called Happiness Critters. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Play along, do hashtag 757 ICAD challenge, and or inbox me and let me know, or send the link below. All right, take care. God bless. And I do.